The most inspiring speaker for me was the second last, the inventor. And the thing that was inspiring was that he wants to create a future that we can look forward to. Actually, he wants to create a future that's awesome. So when he was a kid, we were going to go to the moon, we were going to go to Mars, you were going to explore the seas in a shark with your dog sitting behind you. Remember the Tintin sort of comics?
Yeah.
So he wants to re-envision a future that's awesome instead of a future that will suck less if we stop consuming coal and gas and everything else. Because that's what the environmental movement is telling us, that we need to stop consuming the way we are. He wants to create a future that we want to move towards, not one that just sucks less if we cut everything that we're doing.
Sure.
So that was incredibly inspiring. And actually the last presentation with Daniel Johns and was it John Oakley? Wakely, yeah. Collaborate with someone with a completely different skill set to you. Like, I know it's important, but I've never thought to actually do it myself. So it's something I'm going to try and explore.
And what do you do?
I work with organisations like Sydney Festival, so basically solving their challenges. So one of the big ones is discovery. How do you know you might like a show that you're not familiar with? And we're applying technology to help with that, and social technology as well. So Facebook knows who your friends are as well as what they like. And when we bring that to the context of the festival, and you go to the homepage and already you see friends you know and what they've liked of the program, that makes it easier for you to discover what you might like to go to. So you might pick up the phone and talk to them and actually commit to going to a show. So we did that for the first time this year and it was really successful. You know, we got a lot more people buying tickets and actually enjoying the festival, which is our goal.
That's fantastic.